So, what you're about to witness now is my first ever unboxing video. It's actually my first ever YouTube video as well. So please leave a comment if you like the video or if you think I should do something different on the next one. What I'm unboxing today is the brand new RGT Challenger Pro. And it has some really cool features. Out of the box it comes with a 25 kilo winch, sway bar that you can lock, unlock from your remote, 1.9 inch wheels, all metal servos, aluminium shocks, a brass portal axle cover, the outer cover. Steering servo is 35 kilo. It has a 2-speed transmission. The option between 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, or like a dig, where you block the rear axle so only the front wheels are turning. So you get a lot of bang for your bucks here. hope you liked the video, guys. Remember to subscribe and see you.